Production.
Outstanding.
Welcome again to another video. It's a boy Eldorado and Ting. Now, today in this video, we're going to talk about different mixing styles and how it come about in the music industry. Now, before that, please do subscribe, hit the bell notification button, because to how YouTube algorithm works, sometimes videos are suggested to you and you realize you really subscribe because you keep on watching content and so forth like that. So YouTube algorithm keep on showing you similar videos like to the channel that you're getting. So please do subscribe, hit the bell notification button and join the notification squad. Anyways, we're going to focus on mixing styles today, and in some later tutorial videos I will show you different mixing styles and how you can really apply it within dancehall music. Anyways, alright. Back in the days of dancehall music, there are times when you could have no distinctive sounds and distinctive mixes in the music. Now, for part like for beat making, we'll talk about that. For beat making, certain dub beats you could have known, say, alright, it was made by this producer back in the day and that producer back in the day, because the consistency of sound, so it was easy to distinguish where it was made. Now, for mixing on a whole, it sound a particular way, and you could have say, say the song that mixed on a King Jamming studio, or it mixed on a what the other studio name? Nah, I remember all of them, but for the most part, we could just use that. All right, Pentos, King Jamming's on Pentos. Yes, I remember now. So back in the day, people used to tie themselves to studio, because people used to go there, like artists or producers or people who are cut the plate from overseas, if you bring back for sell or if you play in the dance back in the day. You used to go to those particular studios. So engineers used to tie themselves to that particular studio, and that particular studio have a particular sound. Now back in the day, even up until now, you can really hear the distinguished sounds of those particular studios, just to name a few. Now, nowadays, it is hard to really tell unless that particular engineer have a particular style, probably our beat maker have a particular style within their beats, or probably in their mixes. Certain elements they really added to the mixes or the beats to have a very distinguished sound, a very unique sound. So you can say Andrew Blacks make the beat there. Yeah. Say Not Nice make the beat there. Yeah. And just to name a few beat makers are part of the mix and those. Say a Red Bull mix the song there. Or an engineer in town mix the song. However, it even goes beyond there, because a lot of times I hear some tracks and I can say, say I'm not that mix. I'm not Jamaica that mix overseas, because it have a very distinguished sound, or distinctive sound, whatever you want to call it, whatever. Who gives a ass? Anyways, it have a very distinctive sound from the sound that they really know about, in which there are people overseas who catch on to the sound and have the sound right down to the T. So different mixing styles develop over time, and I really encourage people to have different mixing styles that are unique to them, or some sort of sound over their mixes or beats to have a very unique sound, because stuff like these can help you to get more clients to work with, having a very distinctive sound. If you try to sound like everybody else, then go give anybody the work. But if you have a particular sound to yourself that he or she or they like, you will get more work. So for me personally, I have a particular mixing style and a particular sound that people like. So this is one of the things makes me get works from different type of people from different type of places, not only Jamaica but overseas or say within the Caribbean and in the States and Canada. Most of my clients are. So in other videos, I will focus on other things that develop over time at particular places. And until next time, I catch you in another video. It's about Eldorado. Until another video again. Why do I keep on saying that? Peace out.